Yeah, look at that. So scrumptious, crunchy, and yummy Lilikoi butter.
Yay! This is 1 cup of Lilikoi juice. Okay. First, I put the stove on number 3. And then I would add my 1.5 cup of sugar to that. Add the sugar and blend it into the juice. Blend it all in until the sugar kind of melts and the juice warms up at the number 3 temperature of the stove. Okay. 2.5 blocks of butter. So I will cut that in half. And use 2 blocks of unsalted butter. Okay. At number 3, I would add the unsalted butter. And then kind of melt it down. Lilikoi butter is really easy to make and really quick. Okay. As the butter starts to melt down, okay, I would scramble the eggs. There's 3 eggs that goes in here. Okay. Lilikoi butter is almost like a custard. Takes a lot of eggs. Scramble the eggs. Like I said, anyone can do it. Even Kiko can do it, right, Kiko? After we get done, you can go to your stove and you can do it. But the major part, like I said in the beginning, is the hardest to get the juice from the Lilikoi, because Lilikoi passion fruit is grown. Becomes a fruit once a year, the harvest.
So do you save the juice or did you?
Oh, I saved the juice. I froze it when it was in full. Yeah, when it was in full season, it was just a lot of Lilikoi that we saved, and I juiced it and I froze it just so that we could keep it for the holidays and make it and just give it away. Okay, so the eggs, the reason why I'm doing this with the butter still on there and melting is because I want to keep the ingredients under a certain temperature, because I don't want the eggs to cook. So because the butter is still melting, the jelly is still at a cooler temperature that the eggs won't cook. So you always have to keep stirring until the butter melts. Really simple so far, right? 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I keep telling myself, I don't know what vanilla does to it, but I'm thinking that it's a mellow kind of flavor to the ingredients. Okay, the butter is almost melted, and because it's at a higher temperature now, with the butter all melting down, and then I add the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken it. Okay. And because I don't want it to really thicken quickly, I added the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and after I do that, I increase the heat to number 5 on my stove, from 3 to 5, so halfway, so that'll get it to a boiling point, yeah, and that'll thicken the jelly or the butter. I keep calling it jelly. Thickening a little more than before. It's because of the cornstarch. So when it does that, I put it to number 5. It comes to a boil. Cause I keep stirring it because I don't want it to burn on the bottom. But when it comes to like a little bubble boil on number 5, and then I do it for about maybe 3 more minutes from that, and then I just take it off the stove and cool it.
So you get arm workout, yeah?
Hand workout. Yep.
Yeah.
It's gonna be this thick, but when I take it off the stove and cool it, it'll become even thicker when you put it. You see how it's boiling now? So I turn it off and then I just kind of. See, that wasn't hard, right? You gotta do the taste test always. A good cook always does a taste test. So I'm gonna just finish it up like this. I think it needs a little bit more sugar, so there, 1/8 cup of sugar. Much more sugar, okay? Okay, this is what I do to fast cool the butter, and then I just leave it for a while and it cools down, and then we can bottle it. It's fairly hot right now, but it's gonna work. Oh, Lilikoi butter. Pico and I are gonna have a taste test with Sweet Lady and White Wood and Lilikoi butter. How does it look, Pico?
I think it looks so scrumptious and good.
What am I gonna say? You're so funny and you say the right words. Oh, look at that. It's hard to see.
Yeah, look at that. So scrumptious, crunchy, and yummy. Lilikoi butter.
And it's not even breakfast time.
Oh, you can try it when you wake up in the morning.
Yep.
Scrumptious.
Need you to say that. Can you take that back? Delicious it is.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That is so good.
This is the best way you ever had?
Follow her at Lady Legacy. See you in the next video. Aloha.
Aloha.